Title: How EKCNE supports international elevator projects through Hong Kong and semi-finished delivery. Hook international elevator projects are not only about manufacturing the elevator. For overseas buyers, the real challenge is often much broader. There may be communication delays. Trade terms may need flexibility. Payment and settlement may need to be convenient. Local certification requirements may need to be reviewed. The installation team may be in another country, and the project may need OEM customization, components, or semi-finished elevator support. This is why international elevator supply is not only a product issue, it is also a project coordination issue. Today, let's look at how EKCE supports overseas elevator projects through its Hong Kong company and flexible delivery models. Hong Kong company and international business structure. EKCNE Group established its Hong Kong company in Fei. This Hong Kong entity was set up as the company's overseas headquarters to support international business. The purpose was not simply to add another company name. The main value is project coordination for overseas clients. A Hong Kong business structure can help improve communication, support more flexible trade terms, and make payment and settlement options easier to manage. In international projects, these details matter. A buyer may be located in Southeast Asia, a contractor may be working in the Middle East, a distributor may need OEM cooperation for a local market. A project may involve European Union documentation or certification discussions. The supplier needs to support not only production, but also international communication, trade flow, documentation, and project follow-up, export markets and compliance awareness. Today, EKCNE products are exported to markets including Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and the European Union. Different markets may have different documentation, safety, certification, and market entry requirements. This does not mean one solution automatically fits every country. Local compliance should always be confirmed according to the project location, elevator type, and final application. But for international buyers, it is useful to work with a supplier that is familiar with different certification processes and can support early compliance discussions. This can help project teams prepare documentation, evaluate product configuration, and reduce avoidable delays during market entry or project approval. In overseas elevator projects, compliance should not be checked at the last minute. It should be discussed early. Service scope for different project needs. Not every overseas buyer needs the same type of elevator supply. Some clients need elevator components, some need complete elevator systems, some need OEM customization, some need semi-finished project support, some need technical drawings and local installation cooperation. EKCNE's service scope is designed around this variety. The company can support elevator components, complete elevator systems, OEM projects, and semi-finished elevator cooperation. This flexibility matters because overseas buyers have different capabilities. A distributor may need branded elevator solutions. A contractor may need equipment that matches local installation conditions. A local elevator company may already have an installation team but still need factory engineering support. A project owner may need cost control without losing technical guidance. That is where the semi-finished model becomes practical. What is semi-finished elevator project support? Semi-finished elevator project support means the manufacturer supplies the elevator equipment, key components, full technical drawings, and engineering documentation. Then the client's local team handles installation during the process. The manufacturer provides remote technical guidance. This approach is different from a fully finished, fully installed project. It is also different from simply selling loose components. The idea is to keep factory-side technical control, while allowing the local team to manage on-site installation. This model can be practical when the buyer already has qualified local installers, when labor cost needs to be controlled, or when local regulations require local participation in installation. For example, a contractor may prefer to use local technicians because they understand the site condition, language, local rules, and building environment. At the same time, the project still needs manufacturer site support for drawings, equipment configuration, technical clarification, and installation guidance. Semi-finished delivery connects these two sides. Why this model can reduce cost? One reason buyers consider semi-finished support is cost control. On-site labor can be expensive in many markets. If the manufacturer sends a full installation team overseas, travel cost, accommodation, schedule coordination, and labor expenses may increase the project budget. With a semi-finished model, the manufacturer supplies the equipment and technical documents, while the local team performs installation. Remote technical guidance helps maintain technical control during the process. This can reduce labor cost while still giving the local team structured installation support. However, this model should be used carefully. It is suitable only when the local installation team has the right technical capability. If the local team lacks elevator installation experience, the risk may increase. The best results usually come when factory engineering support and local installation execution work together clearly. Why trade flexibility matters. International elevator projects also involve commercial details that directly affect project progress. Payment method, settlement currency, delivery terms, export documents, shipping schedule, certification paperwork, local customs requirements. After sales communication, these are not small details. If they are handled poorly, even a good elevator product can face project delays. This is one reason EKC Hong Kong Company is important for international business. It helps support overseas communication, trade flexibility, and payment settlement for different project needs. For overseas buyers, the goal is not only to purchase an elevator, the goal is to make the project easier to coordinate from production to delivery to installation. Conclusion: international elevator supply requires more than product manufacturing. It requires communication, trade flexibility, payment settlement, compliance awareness, technical documentation, OEM options, and installation friendly delivery models. EKCNE Group established its Hong Kong company in Fei to support overseas business coordination. Today the company supports international clients with elevator components, complete elevator systems, OEM customization, and semi-finished project cooperation. For some overseas projects, semi-finished delivery is a practical structure. The factory supplies equipment and technical drawings. The local team handles installation. Remote technical guidance supports the process. The main lesson is simple. A good international elevator project depends not only on the elevator itself, but also on the delivery structure behind it. For more information, you can read the full article here. https FireLift.com. Fei Group established its Hong Company in Fei